This is a story for my favorite nieces, Ruthie and Martita. Ruthie and Martita's double yummy Christmas. The air in Ruthie and Martita's house buzzed with excitement. It wasn't just warm, it was filled with joyful, energetic anticipation because Navidad was coming. Ruthie and Martita danced and tapped their feet to cheerful Christmas music, while Mom was busy making calls to the abuelas to gather their cherished family recipes. Muchachas, I have some fantastic news, Mom laughed. We will be having a double yummy Christmas. It will be extra special because we will be celebrating the delicious flavors from both our families' cultures, Dominican and Puerto Rican dishes. Soon, the house would smell mouth-watering from the aroma of garlic and oregano. It was going to be one incredible culinary adventure. There will be many yummy foods to try. The magnificent feast would burst with vibrant colors and flavors, with all sorts of dazzling main dishes, side dishes, desserts, and drinks. The appetizers would add a unique touch to the whole experience. There will be the talera bread, soft and elongated, rolls for perfect dipping, tostones and tostone maduros, tiny crispy plantain fritters, and the pasteles en hoja, meat pockets wrapped in banana leaves. The moro de gandules con coco, rich rice enriched with creamy coconut milk would taste sweet and fluffy. The ensalada rusa, a potato salad infused with beets, would be a bright pink color. The pastelón, with its layers of sweet plantains and beef, would be a yummy puzzle, and the pernil asado, a giant crispy skinned pork, would be served with a savory rice side of arroz con gandules. The final items on the list were the sweet and creamy must-haves, tall glasses of rich spiced ponche, and the silky smooth coconut-infused coquito would feel like a warm Christmas hug. And for dessert, there will be a jiggly tembleque, a light creamy pudding, and a turrón, a nougat candy. Meanwhile, in the living room, Dad was rummaging through a giant box labeled Alegría de Navidad. Girls, would you like to help decorate the tree? He asked. Sure, Ruthie and Martita joyfully replied as they too began to untangle a string of decorative ornaments. Martita helped Dad put the ornaments high up, while Ruthie worked low, hanging candy canes. The tree soon transformed into a glittery, glowing spectacle covered with all sorts of colorful ornaments. Mom, who had finished her phone calls, came to inspect the project's progress. She explained, the tree is beautiful, but it's also important to remember why we have this holiday. Mom settled into her armchair and opened the large family Bible. The girls snuggled up on the sofa with Dad. The room grew quiet as Mom read the story of the very first Christmas of Mary, Joseph, and the birth of baby Jesus. Ruthie and Martita were filled with a feeling of quiet, warm love in their hearts. And Dad, with a big smile and his arms wrapped around Ruthie and Martita, shared, remember, girls, the food and music are fun, but the beautiful story of Jesus' birth is the real reason for our Christmas season. The end. I hope you've enjoyed this special little story from your very favorite auntie, Titi Nancy. À la prochaine!